T-Mobile is introducing a new generation of Friends tariffs. Thanks to these tariffs, anyone can call and send SMS messages without limits to 5 friends 24 hours a day. We've been looking for someone with an interesting project who would find our tariff helpful. We found Karel Mařík on Facebook. He wanted to organize a live Ludo game tournament.
Já jsem Karel Mařík a mám teď s kamarádem takový projekt, že dáme dohromady obří Člověče nezlob se, normálně v reálu. 6, 7.
A team of our reporters accompanied Karel and his friends. Thanks to our team's flexibility, we were able to document the entire course of the preparations, step by step. Then, viewers watched Karel's stories on TV.
Ještě 4 metry.
Vším asi střihnul mini. Dobrý, máme to.
On YouTube. And the same applies to Facebook, which is especially popular. They enjoyed commenting on Karel's pictures and chatting with him, and uploaded their experience with the Ludo game. Karel was also heard on air as he gave interviews to numerous radio stations. He was the focus of many magazine articles. He answered questions from many journalists. Karel and his friends have also become the main characters of the advertising campaign. We've also created a special website, slobrdo.cz, to which advertisements were directed. Here, visitors found information on the new Friends tariffs and could watch interesting moments from the tournament's preparation on a special timeline. Every visitor could practice dice throwing in a magnificent online 3D Ludo game. Over 10,000 people were involved. During the preparations, he invited his fans to join him and participate in the live Ludo game tournament. He prepared a leaflet and even made an invitational video.
No čau, nahrávám pozvánku na web na naše živý Šlobrdo. Už se nám to blíží.
People started to communicate directly with Karel, asking about details and registering their teams. Dozens of fans put together photos of their teams in creative costumes and sent them to Karel's email. As the tournament day became closer and closer, Karel's team fine-tuned the final details. Everything came together on the 19th of June in Písek.
A je to konečně tady. Velký turnaj v živém Šlobrdu. Děkuju moc všem, co do toho se mnou šli, a T-Mobile za podporu. Tak máme vítěze, člověče.
Thanks to Karel and his team, the new Friends tariff has been presented successfully. The 2-month campaign attracted more than 260,000 visitors to slobrdo.cz. Spontaneous awareness of the ads reached the above-average value of 31%, and the main message was successfully delivered. So maybe see you next year.